Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can use Dynobot for welcome. So go to Dynobot's website, that is dyno.gg, and after logging into your account, click on Manage Servers, and here select the server of your choice where you want to see the welcome messages, and I'm selecting testnet. And here on the left hand side you can see different list. On the module, just click on the drop down arrow and then scroll down to the last, and in the end you will see welcome option. Just click on it, and here you will see this option of message. Just type in the message according to yourself, and also there is a predefined message which is welcome to the server with the user's name, and you can just simply click on update and it will be updated. And in case if you want to show something more like urls, titles and anything else, then you can click on embed, and here you can choose the color of the text, also the title of your text. You can also add an url to your message, a description, and there are many other things to add in this option. And also if you want to send someone dm welcoming them into your server, then you can select this option and then just fill up all the details and click on save. And after saving, Dynobot will handle all of it for you. So I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.